Jai Jagannath, Jai Dwarikadesh. Welcome back to my channel. Today, dear viewers, I am going to give a talk on India's first closed door non-AC local train. Dear viewers, you might have heard that in June 2025, some accident occurred in the Mumbai local train, and five of the persons died on the spot from falling from the high-speed locals. Thereafter, the Indian Railway had decided to launch closed-door non-AC, and they had made up their the mind to launch it or to induct in the local trains, Mumbai local trains, by the end of the 2025. No doubt, because it was the new system, so it took some the time, but deadline has become over 2-3 months back, but it has become successful. And Central Railway on 30th of April, just one day before, that is unveiled the non-AC suburban rake at the Kurla car set. That means it was made by the Integral Coach Factory, Chennai, and it has reached, and now it is also in the Kurla car set. And this is a closed door 12 car. For the first time it is to be introduced, and it will be the 12 car, and it is the 12 closed door suburban rake. And what I told you, it was for the first time the closed door non-AC made by the Integral Coach Factory, Chennai. And there is some technical upgradations in the system. New techniques have been introduced. So I want to highlight that ones. First one, in this closed door locals, first point is 10,000 cubic meter of fresh air per hour per panel, you will see. That means people have to enjoy the 10,000 cubic meter of fresh air per hour per panel. But in the earlier, it was 6,000 cubic meter per hour per panel or per units in conventional non-AC systems. It is no doubt a big improvement because the door will be closed and people will not feel the suffocated. Second one is 1900 extra wide sliding windows. Earlier it was 800 push down systems. Now another thing is that louvered automatic sliding doors with anti-drag protections. Then another feature has been added in the local train, that is slightly reducing the sitting capacity to 1003 from 1028. Earlier it was 1028 sitting capacity. Now it has come down to the 1003. But standing capacity now it will be 4695. Means total passenger accommodations will be 5600. So this the closed door non-AC, it will be introduced, and some new features are also there. And before induction, it will undergo mandatory certification trial by the Research Designs and Standards Organization, or the RDSO. And once it is done, it will be inducted in the Mumbai suburban locals. Dear viewers and dear students, for the viewers my dear viewers, because it is a new, for the first time it is in India, that the closed door non-AC locals introduced. And for the civil service students, for other competitive and the state public service commission students, you have to keep in mind that this is going to be a GK or general knowledge part, because it is the India's first non-AC locals. Before concluding my request to the students, the audience, please like my channel, subscribe my channel, share my the videos to the friends and colleagues. And also in the comment section you can give your the comment. You are free to give your the comments. And also I encourage my the viewers, my the students, and if you want to ask any questions relating to anything relating to this the video, I can also answer. So this is for today. Thank you very much.